sound. When I make the V sound, my mouth is not open much. My teeth are going to touch my bottom lip and I'm going to push the air out. When I do it a long time, it even tickles my lip a little bit. Oh, that tickles. When I do the motion for the V sound, then I drive like a car and my car makes the noise. Tickles again. Some things that begin with the V sound are vest, V-est, van, V-an, vase, V-ace, and the last one is a holiday. It's a Valentine, V-alentine. All right, tell me again, what is the sound? It's the V sound. I'm going to draw a picture of the V sound. When I make the V picture, I'm going to start at my midline and I'm going to draw a slant line down and I'm going to stop so it makes a point and back up again. That is the V sound.